This is the second video in the series dealing with website maturity. In this video, I look at system engagement. Hello Wicked Webbers, welcome back to another Wicked Web Wednesdays with me, Chris Davidson, brought to you by Speaker Business Builder. Website maturity, state number 2, system engagement. What is this all about? You know when you're in system engagement, when your credit card starts taking a beating. How's that? Well, you start buying all sorts of extra pieces of software that you put around your site with the idea of engaging the visitors that you get and drawing them into the site. What examples of that additional software might that be? Well, you might have a product like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. These are all outbound emailing systems. They all have the capacity to put forms on your website so that you can ask for a name, an email address, you can tag the user, put the user into your database and send them appropriate emails. There is another video in this series that deals with outbound email, looking at the advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons of multiple lists versus tags. You might want to have a look for that video too. So outbound email. What other systems are there? Well, there's online chat, of course, isn't there? You go to lots of websites nowadays. Traditionally, bottom right-hand corner, you'll see a little capability to open up a chat window, have chat with some online help, or behind that online help, if the chat isn't live, you can find a knowledge base with additional information that will help you use the website better, for example. So we've got online chat, we've got outbound email. Nice thing about some of those online chat systems, actually, you might want to have a look at them. Nice thing about them is that some of them can participate quite actively. That is to say, if the online chat is switched on and you're on the help desk side of the online chat, as it were, you can see people come to the website and instead of just sitting there waiting for them to start a chat session with you, you can start a chat session with them. So hello, my name's Chris, can I help you at all? I can see, I see that you're looking at our XYZ product page. Do you want to know something about the XYZ product? So quite nice facilities that exist within chat systems. So this is all about system engagement. I will make this point. For quite a number of years now, we've had an idea of lead magnets that traditionally would be part of system engagement, and lead magnets have traditionally, for many years, been a PDF report, haven't they? Give me your name, your email address in exchange for a PDF report on the marketplace that you're interested in. I have a feeling that they are less successful now than they used to be honest. What I have found, though, is that the word tool goes down really, really well in system engagement. If you can make some form of tool that genuinely helps the users solve some form of issue, then tools get downloaded really, really actively. So I'd recommend that. Think about creating some kind of tool that could help the users. I created one for Active Presence. It was an Excel spreadsheet, 20 yes/no questions, gave people a percentage score for the effectiveness of their presentation. Works really, really well. I get a few downloads of that every week. I'll get a few downloads. I don't advertise it at all. People come to the website, they find the Active Presence website from Google searches and the like. So, oh, that's interesting. What does that tool do? Oh yeah, I'll have a go at that. So tools go down really well here. I think they serve our needs much, much, much better than reports. That's system engagement. That really is all there is to say. It's the process of engaging your visitors by the use of systems, which is going to be different from community engagement, which we'll come to in the next video.